From their uncanny ability to evade being swatted, you could be forgiven for thinking fruit flies are masters of aerial performance. New research, however, has revealed the insects have actually evolved wings that are far from the best shape for agility in the air. Scientists have created fruit flies with a range of wing shapes and found those with the altered wings were much more maneuverable than those that occur naturally. In free flight, flies with wings that were broader at the base but more pointed at the tip were substantially quicker around corners. High-speed cameras. The researchers were able to track the flies and reconstruct their flights in a computer simulator. The researchers say the insects with the better agility in the air would be better at outmaneuvering predators like dragonflies. But they also found the new wings had a drawback: they were much less efficient, causing the flies with them to burn far more energy than those with wing shapes found in the wild. Dr. Richard Bromfrey, an expert in biomechanics at the Royal Veterinary College, University of London, who led the work, said, "This is a classic example of a trade-off in nature. Evolved designs are always a compromise between different objectives, in this case agility versus economy. It is often the same in our own vehicle designs. Do you want high performance or more miles per gallon? Here, we have been able to change the expression of a single gene to tip the balance from the natural solution towards a more agile fly. It is fantastic to be able to understand the balance of this complex system from the level of the gene and development, right through to life and death aerobatics." The research, which is published in the journal Nature Communications, used molecules to block the expression of certain genes in fruit flies. The technique, called targeted RNA interference, the researchers were able to manipulate the development of the fruit fly's wings. They were able to create flies that had a broader base and more pointed tip. With the help of the high-speed cameras, which recorded at 500 frames per second, the researchers were able to reconstruct a three-dimensional flight model of the insects. They were able to calculate the speed, acceleration and turning circles of the flies. The new wing shape significantly enhanced the aerial agility of the insects. The researchers say the experiment demonstrates the huge effect that changing the expression of just one gene can have on flight performance in flies. It also offers insight into the evolutionary mechanisms underlying the diversity of insect wing geometry. Dr. Robert Ray, a geneticist at the Francis Crick Institute who is the lead author of the study, said, "By using genetic technology to alter wing morphology, we not only alter wing shape non-invasively, but also generate shapes that are evolutionarily accessible to the organism. Our technique generates wing shapes that could potentially arise by natural selection, making our approach a powerful, new technique for addressing the interplay between form and function."